Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? First of all, I'm going to explain this worksheet for grade 6, discussing some important points about lessons, um, ratio and rates and unit rates, ratio and ratio table, and rates and unit rates, and how we use them to solve problems. Please, before you start watching the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like button and share the video to your friends to get benefit from this. Here we start. Question number 1. First, we have some question of multiple choice. Which equation represent the data in the table? Here we have D and T, which means the equation, it means how they are related. Look, the first equation, T equals D minus 4. So if you want T, you go to D minus 4. Some students may be confused by the answer A, but it's wrong because T is not equal D minus 4, but T equal D plus 4. Look, if you want any value of T, you add 4 to value of D. So 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. So the equation should be applied on all the values of D and the value of T. So be careful about this because here in the equation T equals 2D, it works in here. 4 multiplied 2 equals 8. But if we apply it here, 3 multiplied 2 is not 7. So the answer will be C. Question number 2, write a rule in words that represents the pattern in this table and find the missing value. I need to find a relationship between A and B. So the choice, as you can see, the value of B is the value of A multiplied by 6. You need to find a relationship between A and B. Here, 1 multiply 6, look at the choice C. The value of B is 6 times the value of A. 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 6, 18. 4 times 6, 24. So the choice is C, 24. And as you can see, let's try A. The value of B is 4 more than the value of A. The missing value is 8. He said the value of B is 4 more than the value, more than means plus the value of A. So 1 plus 4 equals 5, it's not 6, so it didn't work. The value B, the value of B is 8 more than the value of A. 1 plus 8 equals 9, not 6. So the correct choice is what? C. Next question. Question number 3. Find the ratio equal to the ratio given, 7 to 6. So the order is important. The first value is greater than the second value. So we cancel all the first, this is the first term and this is the second term. As you know, we want equivalent, equal or equivalent ratio, which means how we get equivalent ratios? By multiply or divide. So here we have 6 to 7. Here we have 7 to 6, I'm sorry. Here we have 6 to 14. It's wrong, of course. 12 to 28. Let me try. If we multiply, the first value is 7, it becomes 12. It's wrong. Now we go to C, 12 to 14. It's correct, but they flip the order. So we go to the choice D, because 7 multiplied 2 equals 14. 6 multiplied 2 equals 12. So we have to be careful about the order. So the choice C is correct, but they flip the order. So the correct choice is D. Question number 4. Write two different ratios equal to 15 to 30. If you notice that the first term is half of the second term, this one point it could help you. And I need to find equivalent ratios by divide or multiply by the same number. Look at the first ratio, 3 to 6. The first term is half of the second term. 12 to 24. The first term is half of the second term. So it works. Or we can say 15 divide 5 equals 3. 30 divide 5 equals 6. So we divide by 5. We divide both terms of the ratio by the same number. And how it becomes 12 to 24? From this ratio, we can generate different equivalent ratios. Here, 3 becomes 12 and 6 becomes 24. So we multiply by 4. 3 multiply 4 equals 12 and 6 multiply 4 equals 24. Question number 5, and which is a very challenging question. At amusement park, 27 people, I put here people, ride the race cars every 30 minutes. Look, 30 minutes. And 15 people ride the spinning swing every 15 minutes. So the people are 15 and the minutes 15. Which ride will have more riders each hour? Focus on this point, each hour. And how many more? So it's helpful for us here to make a ratio table for the amusement park. Here I make a table for spinning swing. So here I make a table, riders or people and time. I put the time here because I want to reach to 1 hour. He didn't give me in 1 hour. I want to see each of them in 1 hour. Here I put the time. Here same I make for spinning swings. I put the people and I put the time. So he told me for amusement park, people 27, the time is 30 minutes. But I want in 1 hour. I want in 1 hour. So it means 60 minutes. So 30 minutes, I know it's 27. So in 60 minutes, it means I multiply the time by 2. So I multiply the people by 2 equals 54. So I know for amusement park is 54 people in 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I want in 1 hour. Now I got spinning swing 15 person or people in 15 minutes. So, but I want in 1 hour. I want in 60 minutes. So I multiply the time by 4. Multiply by 4. So for 16, 15 multiply 4 equals 60. So 60 people in 1 hour in the spinning swing. But here 54 people. So the difference between them is 6 for spinning swings. For spin, the choice is B. The spinning swings 6 more, 6 more because he said each hour. Next question. Question number 6. Which pay is equivalent? I said to you, equivalent means equal to the rate 15 per hour, $15 in 1 hour. Let me try the first choice, $48 in 3 hours. So the hours became 3. So I multiply by 3. 15 multiply 3 is 45, is not 48. So X is not correct. Now I tried $60 for 4 hours. So it was in 1 hour, so I multiply by 4. Let me try. I multiply by 4. 1 times 4, 4. 15 times 4 equals 60. So the choice C, because we multiply 15 per hour by 4. Now, true, false questions. is 28 to 35 and 4 to 5 are equivalent ratios. The first thing you want to check to know it's correct or no, check if the first term is less than the second term. Yes, in both cases, the first term is less than the second term. I need to know how are they related, the terms. 28 and 4, how are they related? By divide by 7 or multiply by 7. 4 multiply 7 equal 28. Now, is the same rule applied to the second term? 5 became 35. So by multiplying by 7. So the same rule applied. So 28 to 35 equals to 4 to 5 because both divided by 7. So true. Now, if the rate is 54 chairs to 9 over 9 tables, look, in the rate, just write the rate is the same ratio but different units. I use chairs and tables. Then the unit rate, if you want to find the unit rate, you divide the chairs and the tables by the number of the tables because this is the denominator. This is the second term. Always we divide by the second term. So 9 divide 9 equals 1. Always in unit rate we divide. In unit rate we divide. And the comparison is to 1 unit. So 9 tables, 9 divide 9, 1. 54 divide 9 equals 6. So when he asked me about the unit rate, he means how many chairs for one table. How many chairs for one table? So is it 6 chairs for one table? Yes, correct. So true as well. Next question. A class A had the ratio of boys to girls. When he said ratio of boys to girls, 3 to 5. This means this is the boys and these are the girls. This is the boys and this is the girls. This is the boys and this is the girls. And here the class B has a ratio of boys to girls 5 to 8. This is the boys and this the girls. In each class has if each class has 40 girls, then how many boys are in each class? Which class had more boys? Now here in class A, I have the ratio. I encourage you to use ratio tables. The boys here and the girls here. The boys 3, the girls 5. But I want the girls to become 40, to become 40 girls. This means I multiply the 5 by 8. So I multiply 3 by 8. Because I multiply by the same number equals 24. So in class A, we have 24 boys when we have 40 girls. Now class B, the same rule will be applied. Class B, class B, I want 5 to 8. 5 boys to 8 girls. But the class has 40 girls. When it was 8 girls, we have 5 boys. So 8 became 40. So this means we multiply by 5. So I multiply 5 boys by 5, it will become 25. So we will have 25 boys to 40 girls, and here we have 24 boys to 40 girls. So class B has more boys, has one more boy. That was everything for the worksheet. I hope it's helpful and beneficial for you. If you like the video, don't forget to put like and write your comment and share it to your friends. Thank you very much.